Hey peeps, so I got through polishing it up. The Smith & Wesson model, the American series, Smith & Wesson, made in the USA, American series 6085, and it looks pretty good. It scratches out. It's got sort of a mirror finish to it, so I need to clean it up a little bit. It's got a nice sheath, this nice leather sheath here. Cleaned it up a little bit, but you know, it is what it is. Can't get it to focus, but that's okay. Yeah, cleaned it up, cleaned this one up, got all the scratches out, but it's still got some wavy, I don't know what someone previously did to it, but it's also a Smith & Wesson USA. Got it upside down. Yeah, USA Smith & Wesson. USA stainless is what it says there. It's hard to see. It's got a little wood in it. Sharpened them, very sharp. Got all the scratches out. Again, USA stainless. It's got a nice leather sheath with it. Cleaned it up some. Renaissance waxed it to protect it. Got the grime out of it anyway. Used a lot of wet sandpaper. That water bowl. And this wire brush. Of course, the screwdriver. Renaissance wax at last, but after the wet sanding, go from 1,000 to 3,000, like 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, 3,000. Then you use the Mother's Mag and Aluminum polish, and then you clean it all up with your shop towels, and that's what I'm about to do. It's a good knife. It's a nice knife. This one's a good knife, good pocket knife. Carry on you. And on a belt, on either one. That's all I've got. Peace.